Good morning, guys. Today I got a little how-to video. A lot of people know this, and apparently a lot of people don't, because it's a question that I have gotten, and it is actually about RCA voltage. First thing I need is a multimeter, and put this bad boy on AC voltage. AC voltage, I have that little line that's like this, a little swish. Now, I have scanned my head unit with a DD1 and an O-scope, and it goes to volume 35. I know it's clean all the way to 34 no matter what, but I like to set my head unit a max volume of 32. Like 32 is where I set everything. I never really go over volume 30, but I can go to 32 if I want to. So play a 40 hertz tone. I prefer a -5 dB track. I set everything on -5 dB. So -5 dB track, 40 hertz, volume, your max volume that you're going to play to on your head unit that you know is clean. And then you got to come down to your RCA. Try to choose the RCA going out of the bass knob. You're going to put your black connector on the outside of the RCA pin and your positive in the center. And it should tell you a reading. Make sure your bass knob is turned all the way up. Now, that should give you a reading. A lot of times on cheaper on cheaper multimeters, it won't go that low for some reason. I had a Craftsman multimeter, it would not read that low. It didn't want to read anything under 5 volts. This is a South wire. It's pretty inexpensive, but it's really good. It will read all the way down to like millivolt. So the person that was asking me about this, they run tar amps, and I love the tar amps MDs. I had MD 8Ks in here, MD 12K. I really did like those amps. They make a lot of power and everything. I had good luck with them, but they really like to be under 1.9 volt on RCA output. They seem to make more power there. I think I literally had mine set around 1.8 just to be safe. They did good. I never had any problems. So that's where you're going to want to set at. Set 1.8, 1.9. Do not go over 1.9. Now, really, when you get into your good Korean half-bridge amplifiers, they don't care. They actually like the RCA voltage. In here, I don't think I've actually ever turned my RCA voltage up. And if you're wondering, how do you set your RCA voltage? And if you have a system in a car, you should have a head unit with a sub output. Start with your sub level at 0 on your radio. If your radio goes like negative and minus on sub number, my Kenwood does. But if it doesn't, turn your sub level to the halfway point on that spectrum. Start with a reading there of your RCA and move up or down accordingly to get you to that like 1.8, 1.9 sweet spot. I hope this helps somebody. And if you have any questions, throw them in the comments. I usually go through every evening and read the comments if I can. So let me know if this helped anybody. If it did, give a thumbs up and a follow. And for the person I made this for, Chalk Wagon, I'm hoping to see big things out of your build, bud. Everybody have a great day.